starts now.
Good evening, I'm Beth Malicki.
And I'm Jim Mertens. Hundreds of people in eastern Iowa could face eviction with a seismic shift in how the federal government funds homeless prevention.
KCRG TV9's Brian Tabak looked at how the Trump administration's policy change is cutting funding for Iowans by more than half.
The Department of Housing and Urban Development allocates funds to each state so shelters can get people off the streets or prevent them from living outside quickly. It's a program known as Continuum of Care, or COC, and this year nearly $7 million was available for Iowa. Now it's cut to $2.3 million. HUD cut money being used for housing by 67%. This funding goes to permanent supportive housing and rapid rehousing. According to regional homeless prevention advocates, these cuts will especially hurt those on the edge of homelessness, those who aren't on the streets but are one setback away from the streets. To put this change into perspective, Shelter House in Iowa City uses these funds to support 500 people. Now, with only a fraction of the funding available to keep those individuals housed, Shelter House's Christine Hayes says they're working to figure out other ways to try and fill that gap.
The resources aren't magically appearing from thin air. When we have resources and projects that work, that are proven to end homelessness and that have effectively ended homelessness for dozens upon dozens of individuals, it doesn't make any sense to remove those successful programs and replace them with something that has no history of success, no proven track record of efficacy.
I spoke to the executive director of Willis Deity Homeless Services in Cedar Rapids, who says this will also deeply impact that nonprofit. Currently, they receive around $600,000 in funding from this stream of federal funding dollars, helping 130 people. In the studio, Brian Tabak, KCRG TV9 News.